Hey guys, so it has been 2 weeks since I had this hair in, and so as you guys can tell, it's frizzy. I got dandruff galore. It itches. And I even washed it. So I could technically go one more week with these, but I am not because it doesn't look professional. It doesn't look good. It itches, and I think my hair needs a good deep conditioning because it hasn't been in a protective style for like 2 weeks in this kind of hair in like forever. So I'm going to take these all down. And the one thing is, since my hair is getting frizzy, you can see the difference between, if you can see it, the difference between my frizzy hair, my hair, and then the extension. It unraveled up until my hair, where my hair is. So yeah, it goes like that throughout the whole thing. So it's frizzy, but if I wanted to, I can rock the frizzy look, but I don't like the ends how it's so shiny still versus how my hair is frizzy. So I'm going to take these out. I do want to talk about the pros of this hair. The pros of it is that it's very lightweight. It was easy to wash it. It didn't get too loose at the roots compared to how tight I had it, because I didn't have it too tight. I just had it semi-tight, so it wasn't hard to wash at the roots. I was able to get in there. I did use some tea tree oil in between. To keep it hydrated. I spritzed my hair with some water, and then I used some olive oil to hydrate my hair to keep it moisturized on the outside. And then what else did I do every day? I braided it up. I wrapped it every day. Still turned out frizzy. I didn't sleep with it like it's just like hair. I didn't sleep with it because I don't have a satin pillow. So it was wrapped, it was braided, I had it up, taken care of. And so those are the pros. It's lightweight, it was easy to wash. It didn't itch like when it was on my neck. It didn't make me itch or anything. The downside of this hair is that the ends unravel very often, especially if you don't dip it. I didn't dip it at all. I did wash it though, and it still unraveled. There was some hair that didn't unravel, and I think those went more with the grain of the twist. It's like this one, but these unravel, so maybe next time I'll just twist it with the twist that's already there, so that way it locks in more versus just twisting it on my own, because it has this already designated twist that I can twist it in. So that's the downside. It unravels. When it gets frizzy, the whole thing doesn't get frizzy, just this part. I didn't redo the back, so the back, since I did like make it go out a little bit, like I took the hair and I raked my fingers through it to make it look more frizzy. The back one is a little more frizzy looking, and it held a little bit better, and so it blends in a little bit more, but you can still see where my hair ends. It ends right there. And so that's the cons of it. It's frizzy, and I can't really get in between my scalp to wash it, but that's the, what is it called? That is the nature. That's the nature of having a protective style. You can't always get into every single part of your hair without like making it frizzy. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take it down and do them over, or I may take them down and do it over with my own hair versus with the fake hair. I don't think I could reuse these because of how frizzy it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna take these down. I think I'm gonna take them down tonight and rock my hair, because yeah, I can't deal with it. So apparently it's an easy thing to take down, so I'm going to just unravel one to see how easy it is. So, because I did end up braiding part of the way, so I'm going to unravel the front so you guys can see it better. See, that's my hair right here. My hair is in there. So I'm just unraveling it. And then part of the way is braided, so it does braid. So my hair's right here. Okay. Okay, so I just take it. I'm just gonna take where the loop is and then I guess unloop it. And just take it out. That was pretty easy. So that's what my hair is looking like. It doesn't look damaged. It does feel really dry though. It's really dry and it really itches, but I don't see any breakage or anything like that. It is more tamed down here, as you can see, because I did split off and braided it, so it's more frizzy up there. So it's an easy takedown process. You just unravel and then take the loop out, and this is the hair I'm left with. So if you wanted to, or if I wanted to, I could probably reuse it one more time. I may save some of them that looks good, you know, save my pocket. You can't be wasting money. You can't be wasting money. So I'm probably gonna save this little bad boy right here, and then, you know, save it in the pile of saved hair. Recycle, reduce, reuse, right? So I just wanted to give you guys a little update on this hair. And if you haven't seen my installation video, check the link down below. And with that, guys, I want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the reminder bell. That'll be down here and my face. And subscribe, all that jazz. Because I love to see you guys here and be part of my family and watch my, you know, growth journey of healthy hair. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Good afternoon, guys. So today I want to tell you some things that I wish I known before I became a mother, because there's a lot of things that people don't tell you about being a mother. So if you want to watch and see what I learned, stay tuned.